Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and look where we are. We are in the sunny south. Yeah, I think we were abroad, wouldn't you? I think we were abroad. It's only got a appropriate t-shirt and look, but it's absolutely beautiful weather. Beautiful. And it's been very, very hot this last few days. Hasn't it, Katie?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have been down the south here. We've been to London. We're on a holiday, by the way, folks, in case you wondered. Staying in a holiday cottage, and we're here during the heat wave, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. We picked the heat wave to come down south, and it's been a red heat warning all week. Well, over the weekend. Been to London and Cambridge and stuff, but to be honest, now it's cooled down a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's cooled down. It's in the 20s now, 22, 23, something like that's going to be today, I think. Is it? 24? 23,
Yeah,
24?
24. Look at the sea sparkling.
Yeah, look at the sea. Look at that. Look at that. So at the moment we're in Worthing. Worthing, yes, we're in Worthing, and we're pedalling along the cycleway here, which goes from Worthing through to Brighton, isn't it? Yes, Brighton. Yeah, goes from Worthing and Brighton. How far is it, Katie?
12, 13 miles,
Is it?
I think.
About 12 miles, yeah.
Something like that.
We think about 12 miles, not really sure. Not really sure. What a beautiful day for a ride. It's a nice place actually, Worthing as well. First time I've been here. Well, no, I tell a lie. We came here yesterday, but we just walked around yesterday. And I've come back with the bikes today. And it's beautiful, isn't it? Very nice place. Very nice. So yeah, looking forward to a nice ride today. So we've got the pier there, folks. So we're coming in towards the centre of town now, aren't we, Katie?
Yeah.
Coming to the centre of town now. But yeah, it's been very, very hot the last few days. Been like, what, 40 degrees, Katie? Something like that?
30.
37, 38, I think it was 40 in London or something, wasn't it? I mean, London wasn't too bad actually. Yeah, London wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. There was a red weather warning, but it was there was a breeze, wasn't there? A bit of a breeze. But Cambridge, we went to Cambridge afterwards, the day after. And oh my God, it was like, it was going to set on fire, weren't we? Very hot, very, very hot in Cambridge, very hot. So as you can see, Worthing's got some very pretty houses. Very pretty. All nice and colourful. Which colour would I have? Oh, I don't know, that yellow or goalie one's nice, isn't it?
I like the yellow one.
The yellow with goalie colour. Which colour do you prefer? Viewers, which do you prefer? Which is your favourite? Me and Katie like bright colours, don't we? As you can see by Katie. Yeah, we don't do dull colours. We like bright colours. And even me cycle hat here matches the car, which was completely accidental. One of my neighbours pointed out when we first got the car, he went, "Oh, it matches your cycle helmet." I hadn't even realised. It's the exact same shade as my car, isn't it? My hat. But yeah, so we're on the cycle lane here, heading out to Worthing soon, I think, aren't we? There's a bit to go yet, isn't there? Bit to go, yeah. And we're going to head out of Worthing down to sunny Brighton. No, that's not sunny here, of course, but you know. You alright, Catherine?
You're not be alright when it's like this.
Enjoying the nice weather? Yeah,
Absolutely glorious.
pretty good, isn't it? It's beautiful out on your bike when it's like this. Beautiful. Saying that, man, we wouldn't have gone out a couple of days back though, would we?
But
I say we wouldn't have gone out a couple of days back, it was very hot. It was way too hot, wasn't it? Way too hot. Yeah, this is the first day actually where it's been really suitable. Yeah, bike weather. It's been very, very hot, but too hot. Way too hot. Dangerously hot to be on your bike. Today it's hot, but it's doable. It's doable. And with views like this, why wouldn't you, eh? Why wouldn't you? Got another smart building on the left here. Very smart, look at that. It's like a 1920s style. Very smart. Very, very smart. Is that a hotel, Katie? They're flats, are they? Yeah. Very nice. Tell you what, back in them days, the 1920s, they know how to design a building, I tell you. Much better buildings and style of buildings than what we have now. Much better. We're now at Lancing. So we've gone past Worthing. Now we're at Lancing, yeah? Lots of friendly cyclists going past. Big group of cyclists just gone past. Very friendly though, aren't they? Very friendly. Morning. Morning. Yeah, very friendly people. This must be Lancing here, yeah? And we're still heading on down to Brighton. It's a proper cycle track that we're on, as you can see here. But some parts are a bit rough, they haven't been resurfaced in years, but it's alright, it's good. At least we've got a surface, at least we've got a proper cycle path. Come past some funky beach huts here. Actually, me and Katie were somewhere. Well, we were at Katie that time. We saw the beetroots. They were really expensive.
We always are. We were in North.
Yeah, beetroots are very expensive. But we were somewhere. It was in Norfolk, you think? When they're like 30 grand or something.
We always are.
Are they? Are they? Yeah, we saw some prices because some for sale, like 30 grand for a beetroot. It's basically a shed. It's crazy. I know what these ones. These might be cheaper, Katie. These are lovely beetroots down here. Beautiful. Look at this. You want the pink one? Ah, it is a nice one, mind. It is nice. Yeah, Katie wants the pink beetroot. Match your hat actually as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think a little bit different shade.
Yeah.
Let's see what you look like close to it. Ah, yeah, it's not far off, is it? There's Katie off to Brighton. Are you off to Brighton, Katie? Yeah. It's pretty long and straight and flat here, isn't it? Look at this. Got the sea on the right. Got the sea on the right. We've got the Katie at the front. And we've got swans on the left. So we've got like a little inlet there, looks like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would you say from the sea?
Yeah.
With houses on the other side? Looks like a broadside, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice place to live.
Yeah, very nice. A lot of swans there together. Look at all them swans.
You'd have a little paddling boat.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd have a little boat, me.
You could tip up and down.
Yeah.
Rowing boat.
Yeah. Definitely would.
The dogs over there, look where the lady's sitting out. And the dogs are there looking at the
The swans, watching the swans. Yeah. So we're now heading through Shoreham. Heading through Shoreham. Still on the cycle track. Sometimes it does join little bits of roads and things. Like here, as you can see. You can see the cycle rejoin carriageway. But they're very, very quiet roads. Just like back roads and things. Sometimes roads to car parks, that kind of thing. So it's all good still. It's all good. And we're right close to the coast still. Just over me right there. Look at these houses, folks. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these. Very, very smart. Like me and Kate's just saying, I think one of the things that makes it so so interesting, so nice is that each one's different, isn't it, Katie? Each one's slightly different. No two houses are the same, which makes a massive difference, I think. Makes them all look individual. Fancy buying one, Katie?
afford one of these.
We probably couldn't afford the front door. Literally the front door. But yeah, very smart. Yeah, these are nice houses down here, but I've never been a big fan of wanting to live at the coast. Yeah, very, very pretty and stuff. I mean, you've got the advantage of nobody's going to build in front of you. That's nice house, yeah, look at that. That's nice. But
living at the coast here and living at the coast at ours is two completely different worlds.
it is, but it's just the outlook, the view, I think it's boring. You know, it's a nice kind of, probably a nice lifestyle. I think it'd be a nice lifestyle, but actually, you know, the view that you get, you're paying all the money for, all you're getting is like just a blue line, aren't you? The sea, you know, there's nothing really to the watch. Unless a storm was coming in or something like that, or a big interesting ship was coming in or something, but apart from that, it's going to be pretty boring, I think, personally. I'd rather have a nice country scene, you know, a view across a valley or something like that. That'd be much more interesting, I think, than just a line, just a horizon to look at. Yeah, just my personal preference. Well, we are back on course. Crossing a river here. Nice view up the river actually. Well, we've come inland a little bit. The coast is a little bit further that way. And we got lost. Got completely lost. We missed the sign. Went down the wrong road. It was the road where the houses were, wasn't it, Katie?
Yeah, by the house.
We were too busy looking at the posh houses. We shouldn't have gone that way. Yeah, too busy being nosy. We should have looked out for the sign to stay on the cycle path, and we missed it. But we're back. Going across the bridge and look at the view up here. It's beautiful. Very, very nice. So at the moment we're going through Shoreham-by-Sea. As you can see here, going through a bit of a town. Got a level crossing to go across the thing. Do we go across here, Katie? Go across the level crossing. So we've just been helped by a very, very kind local to keep us right, because we stopped at the side of the road because we were lost again. We don't do very well all today. Because Google Maps is telling us to go one way, but these signs around here telling you to go other ways. So we're not 100% sure which is which. So we've abandoned our plans to go all the way to Brighton. We have gone to, where's it, Shoreham-by-Sea?
Yeah.
Shoreham-by-Sea we turned around because the route is absolutely horrendous.
About a couple of miles up from there.
We've got a couple of miles up from Shoreham-by-Sea. Yeah, you're basically into the town, and then the route is badly signposted, very, very badly. We were going down back streets and busy little roads and all sorts, weren't we, trying to find our way through. And you know, the navigation through there, the signpost is just horrendous, absolutely horrendous. So we decided to turn around. We stopped back there for a coffee and a bit of cake, and we'll come back down the road again. Yeah, we were very much of the thought that if we're not enjoying it, what's the point? And when there's loads of cars around, because obviously it's busy, you know, this time of year, it's just pointless, isn't it? You agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just pointless. So we're heading back along this track again. We'll go back along past the posh houses on the right hand side here, on their little private little river there, which obviously connects up to the coast back there. And we've got the sea on the left here. And we've got a Catherine as well on the left. It's pretty windy now, the wind's picking up. Still nice though, it's still warm in the kitty. Still very, very warm, just getting a bit more breezy now. Here's tired Katie coming. You alright, doll? Tired? Weary? Yeah.
So I've done like 100 miles.
Yeah, it does.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we've had a headwind all the way back. Quite a strong wind as well. You can't really tell from me because there's no flags to show you anything. But it's blowing a bit of a gale, isn't it? It's been a good ride on the way down, and apart from getting lost in that town, what was the town called again?
Shoreham-by-Sea.
Shoreham-by-Sea, yeah. Shoreham-by-Sea. We got lost in Shoreham-by-Sea, so we doubled back, came back. Yeah, but apart from that, and the wind, yeah. Apart from that, and the wind, it's been a good ride, isn't it?
It has been a good ride. It's
very,
nice. It's
very pretty. Yeah.
It's just the wind that's been a killer today.
Yeah, the wind on the way back's been blowing a gale, so we had a headwind all the way back and no protection all from the wind. Straight in our faces the whole way back, but we still enjoyed it. Next ride is going to be Isle of
Wight.
Yeah, it's going to be Isle of Wight. Yeah, Isle of Wight. Yeah, so we're going to be Isle of Wight very soon. I don't know when you'll see these videos. Don't be straight after each other. There could be one in the middle. I don't know. But Isle of Wight is coming very soon, so we're looking forward to that. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you very soon. Take care of yourself. See you later. It's goodbye from me.
Bye, everybody.
Goodbye from Katie. See you later. Bye bye.